Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel My Study IQ. Today we are going to discuss about the teacher guide to use Google Meet. Google Meet supports web browsers. We can know that there are so many browsers which can support the Google Meet platforms like Google Chrome's, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge and Apple Safari. So this is the apps where we can run Google Meet online classes. Supported operating system. There are so many operating system where we can run a Google Meet. The first operating system are known as Apple, yani Mac operating system, and second one is Microsoft Windows. Means there are so many versions in Windows operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11 and so on. And Microsoft Chrome OS and Ubuntu yani Linux operating system. Next we are talking about the Meet work with their mobile operating system. We cannot run Google Meet on mobile operating system, but we can also use Google Meet in Android and iOS. Participation limit. So there are so many limitations for participants or students. There are use with personal Google account. If you are using the personal Google account, you have only limit of 100 participant in a video calling. You have to only participate 100 student in a single video calls. But if for work and school, Google Workplace users, if you are a Google workspace user, you have number of participants you have in a video call dependent in your Google Workspace edition. If it's totally depend on the Google Workspace edition or settings, you have to increase or decrease the limitations of participants using Google Workspace editions or setting. Here is some workplace edition. The first, business starter, frontline, education foundations, education standard and G Suite basics. It has a number of limitation of 100. But if you are using the business standard, enterprises, initials, G Suites business and non-profitables, the limitations of 150. But if you are using the business plus, enterprises standard, enterprises plus and teaching and learning, upgrade and education plus, you have limitation of 250. But this condition is applied only on the Google Workplace users, not for the everyone. Next we can discuss about the meeting length limitation for the free Google Meeting users. If you are using the free users, you are not paying anything to the Google's Meet. So the limitations are, on computers you can host one-on-one call for up to 24 hours. If you are using one-to-one conversation or meeting, you have the limitation of length, timing should be 24 hours. But if you are using the calling with the 3 or more participants, up to 60 minutes. If you are using the more than 3 participants, the limitation will be 60 minutes. At the 55 minutes, every gets notified that the call is about to end. But if you are not changing the settings, the notification of every 55 minutes classes will be terminated automatically. It extends the call, but the host can upgrade their Google accounts. Otherwise, the call will be ended with every 60 minutes. If you are not going to update your settings, the last calls of your session will be automatically end with 60 minutes. For Google Workspace individual subscriptions, you have to host one-to-one call, calls and the groups call with the 3 or more participants for up to 24 hours. If you are using the Google Workspace individual subscriptions, there is no limitations and only 3 and more participants you have to use 24 hours. Next we are talking about to use Google Meet, the maximum system requirement. The maximum system requirement for the Google Meet online classes, the first is core to dual processor. The PC have only limitations. The PC included or assembled with dual core processor with 2 GB RAM. Meet users scenario and hardware system requirement. Small video calls, less than 5 participants with spotlights and tiles view. There are so many view in Google Meet. So if you are using the spotlight or tiled layout, but minimum less than 5 participants. This is the first condition. And second, the large video calling more than 5 participants. And next is more than 5 participants. So you have to use dual core processor and 2 GB RAM. And second scenario is small or large video call in any layouts. In any layouts means that you have to use tiled, or you have to use grid view and thumbnails. And if you are using 1 or 2 tabs or apps alongside Meet, but if you are using so many tabs like 1, 2, 3, so the requirement of hardware should be this: quad core processor, Intel or Cellcom N300 series processor, and dual core Intel Cellcom N40 series processors. And this is the processor like AMD 300 and AMD Elcnon and MediaTek, this processor with including 4 GB RAM. If you are using this configuration, so this is the hardware requirement for the PC. Next, we can discuss about the second layouts: small and large video call in any layouts, presenting a video calls and using 5, 10 open tab or apps alongside Meet. So the processor length should be increases. The hardware requirement are quad core Intel processor or Cellcom series 300 and 500, 7th generation Intel Core i3 processor and 6th generation Intel Core 5 processor and AMD Ryzen 300U with 4 GB RAM. This is the hardware configurations if you are using so many tabs, video representings and presenting PPT or anything. Next configuration is small and large video call in any layouts, presenting a video calls, HD video calls and using more than 10 tabs alongside Meet. So the system requirement should be quad core 6th generation processor with i3 and AMD Ryzen 5 and 35U with 8 GB RAM. This is the configuration if you are using more than 10 tabs alongside Google Meet and using HD video calls. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you are having any doubt regarding these topics, you have to comment and ask